So this is the pound yen analysis for Tuesday 28th of November. Now, before we start the analysis, a quick risk disclaimer. Now with the risk disclaimer out of the way, we can begin the analysis. So, as you can see here, we've had our highs over here. We've got it posted a lower high. We've come down into this 48.46, and we have seen a sell-off from the 48.46. So we are in and around an area where we have caught a bit of a bid in the past, so we could potentially see another retest of the let's just clean this chart up a little bit here, and let's just remove that. There we are. So we have seen some buy side momentum come into the market previously from this area where we are operating at the moment, in around this 47.80, 47.60. So we might see a retest of this 48.46. We do have to be aware of the 200 period average. Above that, we're looking at 400 period average. 400 period average, we did see some sell side momentum come off that 400 period average as well, if we do get up to 48.46. So if we do get up to that level, we potentially see an opportunity for well, we could see, I wouldn't say an opportunity, but we could potentially see a prices turn around and around this 48.46 to head back down to these most recent lows in around this 47.70, 47.80. If break from which we're looking for a move all the way down to this 47.35, which is a strong level where we could potentially see some buy side momentum take us all the way back to 48.46. If, however, we do turn around from where we are at present, head up to 48.46, we do hold that level again. We're looking to see how we behave, how price react to this 200 period average, and also these previous highs in around this 49.90, and also up here in around a 49.20, well 49.40 actually, around this 49.40. We'll see how prices react in around these levels as well. If we do successfully navigate 400 period average, but once we move past the 400 period average, I'm looking for price to get up towards that 49.78. 49.78 potentially being the far end of the range here, based on the most recent volatility of the market. 49.78, unless we have a strong fundamental catalyst, looks likely to be the far end of the range on the pound against the yen. Let's just get a scaling beyond which we're looking at 50.56, but I don't anticipate coming into focus. Now, if we do break down from this 47.35, potentially looking for prices coming all the way down to this 146. 146 is not actually on the charts at the moment. Let's get a scale on there. There we are. So we're looking potentially for prices. If we do break down from where we are at present, we don't hold this level, we're looking for potential for prices coming out 47.35. If we do not see a bullish reaction from there, we're looking potentially for prices coming down to this 146.07, well, 146 level, where we could potentially see some more buy side momentum coming to the market. Now, we've mentioned all levels that we'll be looking at in light of the most recent trend. So we're just going to have a look at daily chart before wrapping up here on the pound yen. So on the daily chart, let's get a scale on here correct. So on this daily chart, we can see we've got our highs here. We've had a lower high there. We're operating in shadow of let's get a scale on here. So this bearish candle just here, we're still operating in shadow of this bearish candle, and the overall move seems to be to the downside. We've got consistent movement towards the downside, so we do look poised for that retest of that 47.35, from which we might catch a bit of a bid, see prices head upwards. So we again, in light of the most recent trend, the range and volatility has come down quite a bit, but we've been consistently trending lower. So again, we're looking for 47.35, possibly below that. We're looking at 46. 47.35 would likely provide an area where we might see a bit of consolidation, as we have found support in around the 47.35 before, and it has proved to be resistance over here in the past as well, not too distant past as well. So 47.35 is the key area of interest that we're looking to see how prices react in and around. So that should wrap up the analysis on the pound Japanese yen. Thanks for watching.